Hey fellow automation geeks, this is Saurabh, and in this video I'll be telling you how do we use routers in make.com. So in order to explain the concept of router, let me just show it to you via this example scenario. So we have this weather data app which is there. The data is processed and it creates a bundle of information, and that information is sent to a router which processes it towards two different destination modules. First, you can see it processes to a Google Sheets where an action will be performed and it will add a row in a particular Google Sheet. And the second is it will also send an email about the weather information. So with just one source, by connecting a router, we can transfer the information to different destinations. So this is the theoretical purpose of a router. And now let me show you how you can connect the routers in your scenarios. So let me just go back and create a new scenario from scratch, and I'll show you the first step of connecting a router between pre-existing modules. So if you've got two pre-existing modules, so let me just uh, tell you like this. So I'm getting the weather for New Delhi, and then I create another one, Google Sheets, add a row, other, and we can just put whatever information we need in. Okay. So if you have got pre-existing modules, then you can add a router between these two modules. And how you can do that? You need to right click on this path, and you see this option of add a router. You click on that and it will add a router between the two modules. And now that your router is in place, when you hover over to your new router, you will see this plus sign, and if you select this, it will add a placeholder for our new module like this. So for this example purpose, I'll uh, add a Gmail module where it's going to send me an email. Subject I can take like, okay, weather update, and the content I can take like the temperature and the description, and I click OK. Okay, recipient, I'll just email it to myself. Okay, so to visualize the order of data flow, you can select the explain flow item under controls. So you have this explain flow. So you can see you will get the visual representation of how that data is going to flow. And now let me show you. Let me save this module and let's run it once. So in the first step, it has given me the weather for New Delhi, and then it has updated in the Google spreadsheet, and it has also sent me an email. So let's just verify this. Let me go back to the Google Sheets, and you can see it has added this particular row in my Google Sheet. And this is the email which I have received from the automation, that the temperature is 31 degrees and the description is missed. So this shows that this automation has successfully run the weather. It has given me updated the Google Sheets, and it has sent me an email. So this is how the router works in make.com. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in the next video.